If you regularly follow Miles and Smiles, you've probably noticed that we haven't put up any videos for quite a while. And there are a couple of reasons for that. The first one is actually pretty happy. In this past year, instead of doing RVing, we have been out enjoying other kinds of vacations. Back in the fall, we enjoyed 3.5 weeks in Hawaii to celebrate our 25th wedding anniversary. And man, we've got some great video ready to be edited to share that experience with you. And more recently, I've spent 7 weeks in Alaska filling in for a pastor up there who was away on sabbatical. And I've got some more great video shot during this time in and around Skagway. And I'm looking forward to putting that up too. So that's the happy reasons. The less happy reasons that we haven't been posting much video, and one of the reasons we haven't been doing much RVing, is that both of us have been dealing with some health issues. Kathy's been having a lot of pain in her back, which has been limiting her ability to carry things and do the activities that we like to do when we're out traveling. And for the last 2 years, I've been struggling with bone-on-bone arthritis in my left knee. By this point, I have pretty well exhausted all of the non-surgical interventions for that. And so in a couple of days, I'm going to be having total knee replacement surgery. And I've started a new series of videos on my personal YouTube channel so that anybody who's interested can follow along with that part of my journey. The videos will start right about now. They'll go through surgery and for however many months it may take for me to be recovered and hopefully back to a new and active life. These will be short videos posted when something happens and only when something happens, both good or bad. And I'd like to invite you to come along and join me on this journey. Perhaps you're having knee arthritis problems yourself and you're anticipating or considering the possibility of knee replacement. I hope you'll join and at least you'll see one person's experience of what it's all like. If you're a friend of our channel, I'm asking that you would consider watching and praying for me throughout this entire process. And if you've had knee surgery, I hope that you will, that you'll be happy to come on and share your experiences and your tips and tricks. And of course, in any case, no matter where you are, even if you are just a casual viewer, I'm going to be looking forward to hearing and answering your questions. So there's a link down below, and I'll try to put one on the screen here also, to my personal channel, where today I've also posted the first of those videos. Remember, life's a journey. Make every mile count.